Welcome to the Wonderland, where we bring you the things you wonder from around the world. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss our video. Mexico's love affair with sugary drinks has led to a public health crisis. With an average consumption of 163 liters per person per year, the country has the highest rate of child obesity and the second highest rate of adult obesity in the world. More than 70,000 people die each year in Mexico from diabetes-related complications, making it the leading cause of death in the country. Sugary drinks, including Coca-Cola, are the main source of added sugar in the Mexican diet, accounting for 70% of the added sugar consumed by the population. The high consumption of sugary drinks is not the only problem. In some poor towns across the country, such drinks are more available than fresh water.
2 rows of water, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows of Coke.
Coca-Cola is even more accessible than clean drinking water in some Mexican states. Coca-Cola has developed a strategy precisely so that it's available everywhere. They convince consumers to sell soft drinks on a small scale, and obviously, that generates many captive customers. To address this issue, the Mexican government has implemented a tax on sugary drinks, which has resulted in a decrease in consumption. However, the country's soft drink industry, led by powerful companies like Coca-Cola, has prevented further action on this issue. These companies have significant lobbying power and have been accused of using tactics to downplay the risks of sugary drinks and distract the public from their dangers. In 2020, a ban on selling sugary drinks and sweets to children was announced in a southern Mexican state. But the authorities have not enforced the measure, despite tens of thousands of deaths nationally each year linked to sugary beverages. In April, more than 10,000 units of products, including Coca-Cola, were withdrawn from shops in Mexico City by the government for failing to abide by the labeling rules. Mexico's Deputy Health Secretary, Hugo López-Gatell, denounced fizzy drinks as bottled poison in 2020 as COVID-19 took hold. He warned that obesity, diabetes, and hypertension are silent diseases that can lead to major complications.
Whatever I want, happy only I eat. Ice cream, chocolate, soft drink. Wow, that time I love is Coca-Cola. Because at that time I just think, I'm so young. I'm still healthy. I can walk, I can run, I can see. What complication doctor tell me, I was like, okay lah, left ear in, right ear out, I don't really give a damn.
His warning came weeks after President Andrés Manuel López Obrador implored his compatriots to avoid junk food as the obesity risk became increasingly clear. Despite these challenges, some communities in Mexico have taken matters into their own hands and banned the sale of unhealthy foods and drinks. For example, the village of Yalalag banned the sale of potato chips in stores and barred distributors. Although the ban was later lifted, the community's public health campaign urging locals to avoid processed food has begun to bear fruit. In conclusion, Mexico's high consumption of sugary drinks is a significant contributor to the country's public health crisis, with rates of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease on the rise. While there are challenges to implementing further regulations, there are also signs of progress and community-led initiatives to promote healthier eating habits. As individuals, we can also make a difference by being more mindful of our own consumption of sugary drinks and processed foods, and encouraging others to do the same. By working together, we can help to tackle this urgent public health issue and improve the well-being of future generations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content from Wonderland. Also, follow us on Instagram and Facebook for updates, behind-the-scenes content, and more fascinating stories from around the world.